Delete your Stochastic RSI now. Use this for 10 times gains. I just discovered something that's going to blow your mind. I found this incredible indicator on TradingView that outperforms the traditional Stochastics RSI by a mile. This isn't just any indicator, it's an absolute trading weapon. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this indicator is, why it's so powerful, and how to combine it with another secret tool to create a strategy with a ridiculously high win rate. Let's dive right in. The indicator I'm talking about is the Stochastic Momentum Index, SMI, and trust me, it's a complete game changer. To add it to your chart, simply open TradingView, click on the Indicators tab, type Stochastic Momentum Index, select this one. Now, when you first add this indicator, you'll notice it has a dark line that's hard to see on dark mode. Let's quickly fix that by going to Settings and changing the color to white so we can see it clearly. The SMI is basically the stochastic indicator on steroids. It gives us a much more accurate reading of momentum and potential reversals than the traditional RSI or stochastic indicators. Let's break down what we're looking at here. First, we have this white line. This is the main oscillator that shows us where price is relative to its recent range. This is what we'll be watching for signals. Next, we have this red line. This is an exponential moving average, EMA, of the white line. When these two lines cross, that's our signal momentum is shifting. Then we have these colored zones, green at the bottom and red at the top. The green area shows oversold conditions, buying opportunities, while the red area shows overbought conditions, selling opportunities. Finally, we have these blue lines at the plus 40 and minus 40 levels. These are our key levels that define the overbought and oversold territories. What makes this indicator so powerful is how it combines price action with momentum readings to give us high probability entry points. Using this indicator is super simple once you understand the concept. In a bullish trend, wait for the white line to drop below the lower blue band, minus 40. This shows us we're having a pullback in the trend. When the white line crosses back above the red EMA line, that's our buy signal. In a bearish trend, wait for the white line to rise above the upper blue band, plus 40. This shows us we're having a pullback in the downtrend. When the white line crosses back below the red EMA line, that's our sell signal. But here's the problem. How do we know if we're in a bullish or bearish trend? Drawing trend lines can be subjective and messy. That's where our second secret weapon comes in. To make this strategy even more powerful, we need to add the EMA Trend Cloud indicator. Here's how to add it. First, go back to the Indicators tab. Second, type EMA Trend Cloud. Third, select this one. Fourth, in Settings, change the fast EMA to 50 and slow EMA to 200. Fifth, in the Style tab, uncheck the EMA line so we just see the cloud. This indicator is amazing because it gives us a clear visual representation of the trend. Green cloud is when 50 EMA is above 200 EMA, so we are in bullish trend. Red cloud is when 50 EMA is below 200 EMA. That means bearish trend. No more guessing if we're in an uptrend or downtrend. Now we can see it clearly. Now let's put it all together into a complete trading strategy that will blow your mind with its accuracy. For a long trade, first make sure the EMA cloud is green and price is trading above it, confirming bullish trend. Second, wait for a pullback. We want to see the white SMI line drop below the minus 40 level, blue line. Third, during this pullback, price should touch the EMA cloud, but not close below it. This is key. If a pullback just happens and the price doesn't touch the EMA like this one, we skip that setup. We'll also skip if it breaks and closes below the trend cloud like this. Fourth, wait for the white SMI line to cross back above the red EMA line, and this crossover must happen when the white line is already above the minus 40 level. If the crossover happens below the band, that setup becomes invalid. Fifth, make sure the candlestick where this crossover happens is a green candle. If it's a red candle, again, that setup becomes invalid. When all these conditions are met, that's our buy signal. For stop loss, place it below the most recent swing low. For take profit, I like to use 2.5 times the risk. This gives us a juicy risk to reward ratio. We let the trade run and take profit. For short trades, we're just going to reverse all the conditions. First, make sure the EMA cloud is red and price is trading below it, confirming bearish trend. Second, wait for a pullback. We want to see the white SMI line rise above the plus 40 level, blue line. Third, during this pullback, price should touch the EMA cloud but not close above it. If a pullback just happens and the price doesn't touch the EMA like this one, we skip that setup. We'll also skip if it breaks and closes above the trend cloud like this. Fourth, wait for the white SMI line to cross back below the red EMA line, and this crossover must happen when the white line is already below the plus 40 level. If the crossover happens above the band, that setup becomes invalid. Fifth, make sure the candlestick where the crossover happens is a red candle. If it's a green candle, again, that setup becomes invalid. When all these conditions are met, that's our sell sign. Place the stop loss above the most recent swing high and target 2.5 times your risk for take profit. We let the trade run and take profit. I've tried dozens of indicators and strategies over the years, and I can honestly say this SMI plus EMA cloud combo is some of the most reliable setups I've ever used. The win rate is insane when you follow all the rules exactly as I've laid them out. The key is patience. Wait for all conditions to line up perfectly. Don't force trades. When you get the perfect setup, that's when you strike. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, follow the rules, and the profits will come. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading strategies that actually work. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.